Vlogs by Nay. I am Nay, and today's video is actually a very cool one. After registering Midnight as an emotional support animal, which by the way, he is officially an emotional support animal and he can be here with me on campus after I turn in all the documentation. So let's clap it up for Midnight. Yeah, that means you guys will be seeing him a lot more often in my videos because he's allowed to be here now. So after spring break, look forward to seeing him make an appearance. Okay, but anyway, so basically after I registered him, which was like over $200 something by the way, like it was actually probably around $300, but it's okay because, you know, that's what I needed to do. So afterwards, I had a good bit of money left over and I got a couple of things and I still have a good bit of money left over. So I got a couple of things that I've been dying to get. I also received 2 Shein packages today from an order that I ordered like 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna be opening those on. I'm going to be opening those up and doing a little haul for you guys, and I just can't wait. I'm so excited. So let's just jump into it already. So basically, first things first, we have a flip phone. Now, y'all already know where I'm going with this. So I've been on TikTok and I've seen like a lot of people be like, oh, I have a flip phone, I have a flip phone. And I've been contemplating like whether or not I want to buy a flip phone because I don't want people to be like, she got a flip phone, hee-haw. I don't care no more. Yes, I have a flip phone. Yes, I will flip it open and talk. So like, I feel like this is going to be my first little actually testing the waters and using this in public. Now I'm going to get it on a prepaid plan and pay, or like a pay as you go, like pay when I need to use it type stuff. But if I start to use this more than my other phone, then I'm just going to like use this one, just switch my SIM over and use this one. So I'm opening it up right now as we speak. And it was like, I tried to find the one that the girl had got on TikTok. It was like $7, but whatever. So it comes with like, you know, a setup guide, and it comes with a SIM card, and it comes with a charger, and it comes with, you know, the guide, the books and stuff like that. And it also comes with, like I said, a charger and the battery. So everything's like separate. And let's get the actual phone out itself. If y'all want me to do a video of me decorating it, let me know. Anyways, I'm probably gonna do the video anyways. But anyways, so I'm going to put the battery in and just start it up. Ooh, so sleek. Yeah, hey. Hello, I'm doing big things now, big girl things over here. I can't wait to use this. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to be like, oh really? That's how you film? Call ends call. Like, what are you saying? So yeah, let's put the battery in and just check it out. How do I open this? Actually, we're gonna figure out how to do that and when I bedazzle it up. So that was the cell phone. That's literally gonna be the next video that I make in a second, because I gotta have this with my friends tonight because I gotta be stunting. Next thing I got, I had to go to GameStop. Funny thing, in my blog that I'm gonna be posting before I post this video, I was talking about how my Lyft driver left me, and I walked into GameStop to make it seem like I had my own car and I was shopping for real, when really I was trying to figure out how I was about to get back to campus. So I went to GameStop and I've been wanting this for a while, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Couldn't find it at a reasonable price on the internet. I just could not find it anywhere. And I walk over to the Slither section that they had. I wish I would have got it on video, but it was the smallest section that they had for like everything that is not new now. And look at what I found. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I literally almost cried in the store. Like, I really, yeah. So this is what they had. And I have been wanting a 3DS for the longest. And I also got this. This was the first, maybe, this wasn't the first game that my dad got me, but when I had a DS for my birthday, he got me Mario Kart DS. He also got me Brain Age, and he got me some other game I can't remember, But I'm really about to be reliving my childhood memories by playing this on a 3DS. And I also asked the guy, would this work on a 3DS? And he said yes. So let's open this bad boy up. Not me ripping the box. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I thought it was blue. It is not blue. It is in fact red and not blue. So pull it out. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Fresh. Now this is a refurbished one. So your premium refurbished handheld unit may need a new screen calibration prior to play if touch functions. Oh, I was like, I have to get this fixed. I'm like, why would they sell this to me? Where's the pin? Oh, I'm so used to the slot being on the side because I never had a 3DS. I just had a I see how this was messing up people's eyes. I see how this shit was messing up people's eyes, for real. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Oh, what time is it? Let's look on my Switch, shall we? Oh, it's good. While that is testing the connection, we're going to move on to Shein. So this is the little package. Let's open it up. See what I have. Sorry, I had to get into this. So let's see what I ordered. Oh, these came just in time. Lashes. They're just a regular pair of lashes. Nothing fancy, because you know me. I don't do too much. I don't really do much. But you're a garden fairy. I know y'all see me looking down at the game. I'm so ready to play it. Okay. And this, oh my gosh, I remember what it is. This is, I gotta clean my room. Y'all know me, I'm gonna tear something off. I don't care. I'm gonna tear it off. Alright, there we go. We're off enough to... Oh, this is small. But this is an Aries, because I'm an Aries. This is an Aries makeup palette called Adventurous Aries. Shine on! I will open that. I'm going to open that later. Where'd I set the other thing that I got? Oh. And then I also got a nose ring, which I will be putting in soon because I've been waiting to get this. I just feel like I just add, the nose ring just adds so much oomph to me, and I have the gold ring in. Now the next package is one that I was really expecting because it's a whole outfit, y'all. So I'm going to open it up and then try it on for you. Well, I might not be able to try it on for you because I actually have plans and people will be waiting on me if I tried it on. But then again, why not step out of it today? Oh wait, I'll just wait. I do need to try on the pants though, just to see if they fit. So these are the pants. Let me try to show y'all what it looks like. Alright, so I hope they fit. What did I get? A large? Please tell me I didn't get a large. I got a large. This is how they look. Okay, these are the pants. They're really cute now. Hear me out, hear me out. It's kind of giving Euphoria outfit once I put it all together and show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, so the next thing I got Come on now. Not against me. I had to get some heels. Because the last heels I got, I could not walk in those. And I'm not about to teach myself how to walk in those type of heels until I'm ready. So I got me some baby heels. And when I say baby heels, I mean they're really like clunky. Like at the bottom. Let me show y'all. So they look like this. This is cute. But that means I gotta paint my pinky toe because it's gonna be showing. But they got the clunky heels so that I'm easier balanced. Let's try this bad boy on right now. Actually, just so we know I can walk in it. Y'all probably like, dang, she just threw that other shoe. Andy. Don't be trying to run my pockets because you know I got it. Because I don't. Even when I got it, I gotta save my money. I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to be a better person. And I got a size 11. I've also been meaning to tell you guys about something, but I'm trying to wait until I know for a fact that I can fully talk about it. So when you hear about it, just know I was able to talk about it. If you don't hear about it, just know I ain't able to talk about it yet. So let's put this shoe on. I do have a foot that's bigger than the other, but I feel like somebody told me everybody's foot's like that. No, I mean like I have to go up in a foot size because, and shoe size because of the other foot. And it's like, I be thinking like, can I just buy like one size for one foot and a different size for the other? But that's, I don't even think that's possible. So, all right, pull it through. Now let me test out. Let me see if I can walk things. Let's see. Oh, hey. Oh, because I thought somebody who can't walk in heels said something. I thought somebody who can't walk in heels said something. Okay, Midnight, you got the baddest mama out here. You got the baddest mama out here. Period. I love these heels. So, I can walk in them, which is perfect because they have like these type of heels in every color. So if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. So it goes right there. It's also really shiny and cute, and it gives Barbie girl. I mean Barbie doll. I said Barbie girl. I'm a Bratz at heart, honey. It's giving Bratz doll, not a Barbie doll. Whew. Okay. Next thing is, drum roll please. The shirt. And now that I'm looking at the shirt, it kind of doesn't match the pants. Does it? It goes with it, kinda. So that's my Shein haul for right now. I do have another package coming, so I will do another haul. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what was your favorite part about the video in the comments. And share this video to other people you think would enjoy me opening stuff. Like, I don't know. I'm not really all that, you know. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this video. And like I said, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day as always.